Did you know that the simple piece of paper you use every day has a history that dates back over 2,000 years? Well, in today's video, we're going to explore the history of paper, from its invention to its impact on the world. Let's start by looking at who invented paper and where it all began. Paper wasn't always around, of course. It was first invented in ancient China, around 105 Common Era, by a man named Cai Lun. Cai Lun was a Chinese court official who worked during the Han Dynasty. He is credited with refining the process of papermaking, although the basic concept of paper existed in China before his time. Before paper, people used materials like bamboo, clay, or animal skins to write on. But Cai Lun's invention opened up a whole new world for communication and creativity. In the early stages of papermaking, materials such as the bark of the mulberry tree, bamboo, rags, clothing, and jute were used. These raw materials were soaked in water and mashed into pulp. The pulp was then spread at a flat surface to dry and turned into paper. Early paper was rough, but it was still a revolutionary invention for its time. Once paper was invented, it didn't take long for it to spread beyond China. By the 8th century, Arabs learned how to make paper and began spreading it across the Middle East and Europe. The printing press, invented in Europe, became a huge factor in the popularity of paper, as it was essential for printing books, newspapers, and even money. It truly revolutionized how information was shared. If you think that paper is only important for communication, then you are absolutely wrong, because it also had a huge influence on art and culture. In ancient cultures, paper was used for creating beautiful manuscripts, artwork, and calligraphy. In Islamic culture, calligraphy and manuscript writing became highly revered. In Europe, during the Renaissance, paper became essential for literature, education, and printing. It made it easier for people to record and share their knowledge, making books, education, and ideas more accessible to everyone. But did you know, in China, the invention of paper was initially a state secret, but when the Arabs learned the technique from Chinese prisoners, the process spread across the world. Here are a few more fun facts about paper that might surprise you. The Japanese developed a type of handmade paper called washi, which is still used today for art and crafts. Ancient Egyptians and Mesopotamians used papyrus and clay tablets as alternatives to paper. But these materials were more limited, fragile, and less durable as compared to paper. So, next time when you pick up a paper, remember its incredible journey. From ancient China to becoming a global necessity, paper has truly transformed the way we communicate, share knowledge, and create art. If you found this video informative, make sure to like it. And if you want to gain more knowledge about inventions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.